We were cut off on our previous video at 15 minutes, so we are doing a second video to finish up. We were on question 3 of the Q&A. Do the perspectives of teachers affect what constitutes student achievement?
And so we did say possibly. If a teacher is not satisfied with the structure of the class or the model, it could carry over into his or her perspective. However, when we carried out our own survey to our own school, we found that we actually had a significant number of teachers who really enjoyed departmentalized instruction in the model that they were currently working in. We actually had more people say that than what we thought would say that compared to having inclusion classrooms. Most teachers felt that departmentalized instruction led them to become experts in the subject and ultimately would make them stronger teachers rather than only skimming the surface when teaching all subjects, which just goes back to our research that we found.
This is the references that we used for this presentation. And that's our last slide. Thank you.